Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram highlights not working. If you noticed your Instagram stories aren't being saved and you're unable to post them in your highlights, let me show you how to fix that. Also, if you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix Instagram highlights not working. Go to Settings and open Archive. Here tap on the three dots at the top right and open Settings. Here make sure the Save Story to Archive option is toggled on. This should have fixed any issues, but if not, try to see if your app needs an update. To do that, go to the App Store or to Google Play Store. For more information, watch our video called How to Update Instagram to the latest version. Alright, so this is how to fix Instagram highlights not working. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.